Father, with that sound name, we are trying to get the sound name before. Now, man, tell me the name. You tell me the name of the sound.
Oh, yeah, man. Big sound, man. Virgo to Palm Bay, man.
What name?
Massive sound. Virgo sound. Virgo sound.
Alright.
Man. You see?
Watch out now.
Palm Bay, Florida, man.
Remember them days and I look how far man on Twitter go, man, up to Jesus.
Oh, old school, man.
Jesus, peace. Another journey on the road again. You know me die-hearted to that thing until them bury me. Everybody smoke. Some man buy prostitute, some man buy drugs, some man buy a whole car. Well, me there in I sound life. See it, yeah? This is the life. And I support everybody thing. My sound have a string up or know you. Or have anything to do with you. I just love that something, yeah. Good afternoon, every sound man. And good afternoon, every big sound.
Them over there, sir.
The great engineer, yeah. I lift up box, you see this? And I'm going to like him better than a blood clot body. You see it? Excuse me language. See me? There you lift up box. And I'm going to like him better than some. I want to some man. Well, I'm a big sound. Talk no man. Because when a Jamaican, when you come to a sound, when you act shy and stand up, it's a hear sound. Say something now, say something. A commercial for you. Say something.
We're good, man.
I don't want you where you go. Don't go girl alone good. Shabba say that. I want to you. I'm a virgin that people. Don't matter me and him. I just talk me and talk. That's how we sound man say. Yeah, so nobody upon your life don't take it personal. Young boy, are you supposed to live all of them back there, you know? You see when me I hear age my youth, everything they up here, you know? Man never eating Wheaties this morning. Take time with him. Wheaties. You're too young for knowing him, so.
Good morning.
Alright people, I'm introduce the sound them. Sorry. You know me caught up in at the moment. What the owner there? What the sound name again? What the owner? My life forget all I name them, right? What the sound name? Superstar in our building, you see it? Brand new box. Yeah, Superstar. Yeah. And we all know that sound was the last winning at this festival or something. See it, yeah? Pure vibes. And they wanna have some dub plate, you know, but the fuck are slick in and play them 1-1. And make some big talk. So don't run up on that sound and think. Don't run up on that sound and think you go around nobody, yeah? See it, when me do my video them, I like to do my video them, you see the fun, everything will go on. Any sound man I like it, just take away yourself. A commercial for the whole of it. So ladies and gentlemen, this is Pure Vibe. Him have about 99 fan fire. I'm saying well cool, see it? I like the destroyer though. Destroyer nice. I like this.
It's for sale now.
I'm not buying nothing from Jamaican.
Who tells me I'm Jamaican? Who tells me I'm Jamaican?
See it, yeah. Video machine on people. So engineer at work. Engineer, where you sweat so? I saw that back up out here. Alright, real engineer, big up yourself. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Pure Vibe sound. With the TV on it. See there? See TV there. Flat screen. So the boss tune up the sound, bringing the high mid and the low mid and Twitter. That's what he's doing for all who don't understand. And the bass over that side. Yeah, see that? That's some love sound man, because some sound man that's been off them page and away man. Blessing. Yes man. Alright, so we'll walk around the thing. Superstar, not ready yet. So, check out the man up on the grill. Check out the man up on the grill and then pretty girl. Wait first. Check on the food. Manners. Alright, guys.
Because I'm not eat yet.
Yeah, more box too, yeah? I think him about 12 more of them in a yard too. And a joke me I make. So them man take it serious, yeah? Now I feel like I can go run up on them. When always attack, select attack, you know, and nothing personal. So there are some people take that thing more personal. It need to be, but peer vibes up and playing already. And hey, you know, if you show up so with the bass, you know. I first can hear them here play like Scoop. Take time. I mean, no speaker and them I cost about a $600 bass or 7. I put it up. I put it up. Yeah, man. I first can hear them here and I say, blow wow. Yeah, trust me, see them here? Because I don't like no can hear them. And though I have some of them. What is that machine rolling?
If you run over this, me I charge you.
Yo.
I want them big wheel too.
Go on.
No, sir. I was speaking in the box, sir. No, sir.
Paper.
I never hear Canadian play it. What?
Hold on, I forgot the name of it. What name
Paper speaker.
People, we watch a video, we investigate that sound. No, sir. So wait, how many seen a rector scale and what go on there? And where the base there come from?
Rector what? It's man underneath it somewhere.
No, when you talk to me, the underneath part, now go work, you know.
No, me talk to you about something. You hear me?
Best way I say that.
How you hear me?
No, man, the base there, no, man. You don't hide something. You don't hide something in the rock. No, sir. Something. You know, say a 18-inch man even a low mid. I walk one what ya? Alright, the rest of the ages are gone. Brother, where you come from? A 18-inch man even a low mid in a brother. Close our skirt. Eh? Eh? Let me give it. Now drop the water. Yeah, make your point upon me now. Use it, man. Use it. Go this one. Go this one. Go this one. Point upon where we are there. We are dealing. So you know, I'm a virgin sound. What if the phone look funny at me so you see me? I'm a virgin sound, so you know me I give my hand. Now you cut on it. And I'm a virgin son. Now give my hand. Load up the machine. Look at my phone. I want to know. Where are we? my brethren son. There, give my hand. Move the sound, because we love that something here. So now watch your haircut. Love the barber. Never ready for me yet. I'm here far to come. So another sound I just reach ya. What that sound on him? What that sound on him? Classic sound. Alright. People classic sound.
Buses on strike, wanna raise the fare so they can help pollute the air. But that's what makes the world be upside down the carousel. Changing people heads around. Don't want them from your mind. People makes the world go round.
So we rector scale on a height on the base. Nah, man. Wanna hide something, man. Because Canada no place, so look how far I'm different in the base over here. So. Wanna hide something, man. Wanna hide something, man. Wanna hide something. Something different about that sound there. Oh, God.
Hey, digital. I have a pay for your vibe to look in the back and rock, man. See night. Something I go on there, man. Wanna hide something, man?
Hide something?
Yeah, wanna hide something. You know about sound in my head. You think me just look amplifier and box and speaker?
You never see me post.
Wanna hide something, man?
You can get a better table than that.
What you say?
You can get a better table than that.
If we work it, we say we have. We are Jamaican. We work with it.
Work with garbage
I
can.
think the world love it. The brethren sound want to sort out, someone want to sort it out, make sure him good. One of them hook up right and all them thing there. And my sound and place it. So we live. No, I'm not.
Huh?
No, no.
So who could like? You are wifey?
No, no, man. No.
You're post.
No, sir.
How me getting it? You white.
Yeah, man. I want to see it, hey. I want to see my back of the rock left from left. Something not going.
Where you have the back of the rock?
Something not going.
Go look, man. Yeah?
Something not going there.
You hide something.
Yeah, something not hide there. Me not hide that.
Where am I hide from uno?
No, me not care what you want
Where
to
am I
say.
hide from uno?
Me don't know. You probably know what we see.
We talk about you now, attention.
Where am I hide from uno?
Make sure every day I run, you know. Make sure every day I run. Yeah, hide something. The last time me hear that sound, I bass a drop, but it sound round and something not go on there.
Yeah?
Never say they don't play good, but something not go on.
Yeah?
They got emphasis.
Yeah, man, then do something to your sound. Give me a head.
Yeah, I worry about when I fool his sound. Are you at work for NASA? When not your sound?
See you. Alright, so we done there, man. I try to stay away from the thing, man.
No, you can't argue.
Digital.
Digital.
Digital. One day me come down so you be see that rule, but brethren, no, man.
Because I'm breaking now.
Okay, I must so.
Oh, come like car. It's a car.
I'm breaking now, man.
Go past what, 20,000 miles?
Remember say you can't tow no trailer for a couple of miles with them new. You understand?
Oh, okay.
You see, I one of them and I said, broke.
Yeah, you're right. Good point. One day I left me rock. Me.
Want an electrician?
Me and try a thing.
Yeah, boss.
You and digital are hide something in a rock there. On about push on up. A two video run me no want to cost a bad one, but it two on the slick. See that? Oh, it's off. Watch out. I feel him sitting and look at him over this side. What you feeling? You feel like? I hold this. One go here, man.
Respect, buddy.
You're good to go.
Respect.
No, pay me money.
But I said,
Yeah.
me come never tell you the secret on because of Sunday.
Yeah.
And me can't lie on Sunday.
Yes, sir.
Me have to look for what's in me first. Oh, me forgot me can't from God. Jesus.
Challenge of the conqueror. You were trying to conquer you. You need to see the call, but it's the agonies. For the love you never lose. It's reality. Someone, brutality. You can't remember sister's love. Why you treat them so wrong? Well, I said you know, you know, you know, you know, you know. You know, you know, you know, you know, you know. Oh, no.
Reverb and everything there and so. Reverb. Reverb one turn down look a bit. Turn down look a bit, yeah. Look sweet, look grab and I talk of one. Yeah. Look a bit man, just in the background that was pinching, like one nipple, just pinching, not turning, pinch. Yeah. Yeah. Well, pick up to one early crew from early squad from myself. And then do things set away, when I just play sound, we know about look a bit of audio, I learn from the great digital I want to know. Think of just laptop alone, open and just press synchronize and play some tune. Charlie, remember you play Dennis Brown, you know? Later, I'm going to play my Dennis Brown and slap with that one day, wake up out of the grave. Big up King Charles, big up yourself, you don't know a sound talk. And if you can't angle sound talk, sell the amps them and sell the box them. Yeah, that's something here. Rugged. Yeah. Audio testing check, big up digital. Machine I play good for the last time. Come down here, hear that sound and play good. And we give people credit, you know. Give the man credit. Yeah, I want to talk about debit, credit. You understand? We request to all people from early, we talk down a little bit at the mid. Scream a little bit. Yeah. Tweak that something here. A disc control dancer, a talk phone. If you talk a phone, alright, can't hold the vibes. Yeah. Well, big up to all early crew from early squad, big up yourself. Yeah. Audio testing check one. Yeah, look a bit about. Tweak it again. You need to get one digital mixer, yes sir, up to time. Them tuba mixer you not gonna work. Yeah. No, I'm not doing so, what am I doing? I tell him it's truth, I want to, that wrong doing, I like talking truth. Yeah. Audio testing check one, big up yourself. And big up all people there with sound and box and speaker, big up yourself. Welcome to the business, yeah? Yeah, turn on this look a bit more. Yeah. I'll try perfectly, look a bit. Leroy. Reverb, just pinch it again like Titty. The other way to go down. Pinch it like Titty. Don't turn it, just pinch it. Yeah. Why you the reverb in the background? Who not like back of your business? Only for chicken back meat. Well, in the meantime, so me and that about eat some ice cream. When a laptop selector, I come from turntable. Tuba, my father have. You touch all the microphone, you knock you. Kind of ground. I want you. When it comes, yeah, you know. King Charles, come to rule. And the imam the under the tiger, and the imam the tool. Captain, schooling. Tarantula, just run it to the you don't know. Sanchez by the case to see. Hey, King Charles again. Well, from the telling friend. Hey, can't see that once your sound is falling. And so Lord cries eternally. Yeah. But cry not for me, King Charlie's song. Don't shed your tears eternally. 'Cause I have found King Charles I was searching for. I need you sound no more. No more. Hey, King Charles, draw back your bow and let your darkness go. Pray on it, and someone's not for me. Oh, King Charles, please hear my cry.
Yo, something different about that bassline, man. No, sir.
Let your be praised while I pray for my blessing to rise. When it all about the starving, I will up and still wanting. Jah will want you, we're empty. I will up and still wanting. Jah will want you, we're empty. Fill us up with your mercy. Man shall not live by bread alone. And I know
was darling. All the things you wanted. Your arms you were empty. Fill us up with your mercy. Ain't you she? Shall we? And without you, we can't succeed. He's my friend in times of need. Thank you, Jah, go through I love you truly, I love you truly, and it means so much to me. You can understand that I will just be my lover, man. Really, I want you near me. Really, if you should give me, 'cause you don't know like I know, baby. You gotta give me a plan. 'Cause
They're not ready yet. I'm not ready yet. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Silver. What's his son name? Superstar son. You know you have mongrel dog and you have bulldog. See bulldog, yeah? Look at people. Look on this machine, Jesus Christ. You want QSC? Go on, sir. I'm going to catch your next sound and catch your name. Alright. Rocky, I catch your sound and name before the night start. What your name?
Black Hat Sound.
What your name?
Black Hat.
Black Hat?
Yes.
People, Black Hat Sound, just check in. See that? Manners. Black Hat Sound, just check in. See that? You look rock, you know, I wonder where they night. Well, later on, running a good car. See it? A sound life. So we live.
Bless, man, bless.
See it? One love. So we can't do that something, and music is a mission, not a competition. Hey, so a Rasta sound down the road there. Red, green, and gold. Check out the machine. Father, with that sound name, we are trying to get the sound name before. Now, man, tell me the name. Or you tell me the name of the sound.
Oh, yeah, man. Big song, man. Vorgo to Palm Bay, man.
What name?
Massive song. Vorgo song. Vorgo song.
All right.
Man. You see?
Watch out now. Remember them days and I look how far man on Twitter go man up to Jesus. Jesus, peace. See it? See what this is about, entertainment. See it? The man Twitter box go up to the cloud. Look at the cloud. You know, lie me I tell. See it here? See them here?
Over there, so watch me, over there. So. Out of that thing there, right there.
Machine.
The connection there.
Look what, hey, look what this sound coming now.
No, don't give me like 2, 3.
Me can barely fit in here, son. Watch out. Look where the sound are fit in here. Packing skill. The man used to thief goat to Jamaica, you know. But man, put that sound up. Yeah, look how much box come out of that Charlie. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Out of this little thing here. Boy, rough. Remember the hand here, man. Jesus, peace. See it? If you're not dead, don't dash your grandma say. Look here. A sound of preference, man. How you like? But the rock up there already?
Yeah, man, sit right there. So
So people may try to catch a hold of the name of the sound through the noise and everything. Another machine, what that sound on name? Sorry. What your name?
No mercy.
What your name?
No mercy.
No? Oh, sound on name, No Mercy. See it just string up here. No Mercy sound this.
Chase those crazy ballets out of town. Chase those crazy ballets out of town.
No Mercy son.
I build a cabin. I plant. Didn't my people before me slave for this country?
Where that sound come from? Where that Florida? Where that sound come from?
Orlando, man.
Orlando sound?
Yeah.
Okay, first me I hear about it, you see it?
Well,
And look how long me live in Orlando.
never really been out like this.
Okay, alright, so you never really been out. So you don't ever come feel out the thing. It's a small boy son from Orlando. And this a peer vibes sound. See there, everyone can read, see there. Peer vibes. See it a peer vibes. You might hide something in the feed base, but we're gonna figure it out. And this is one that Orlando sound. Orlando sound. Palm Bay sound. You can build 3 sound out of that sound here. See the bubble them sound here. I want to know what bubble mean. That means you don't know nothing about Rastaism. The bubble have a paper there right away. See there? I roll up sitting. So see the bubble them sound there. Where that sound come from? Palm Bay?
Yeah, Palm Bay.
Yeah, Palm Bay sound. So we have whole heap of Palm Bay sound and whole heap of Orlando sound. So I'm going to start from that end here. So I can get the thing right. Because when I watch a video of them, I like to see the sound them and them show them box. So the rest of them sound that. The next sound right here, so the one with the whole heap of rock. And a whole heap of processor and a whole heap of sitting. See that? For them sound that. That sound now with the hog scoop them. Go up on it. That sound now with the hog scoop them. See that? Orlando sound. I go to the rock, follow the way I go to the rock. See that? You look about the Talawa. Alright. And so go down the line now. vibe sound, see box them here. So let's get that thing here straightened up. Pay vibe sound. And this a small boy sound. Okay. Small boy sound.
Time limited, I mean about 3-hour drive. You have some man when them left for woman or have a baby mother. The baby mother now want to see them again. Child support straight. Because the man know so when you have an old time girl where you used to make love to her, anytime you see her, anywhere you go, she heal you up. Some boy don't have the relationship there. Some boy when there's some girls see them say, old cross is that. You know what I say that? Drop song! When girls see me! Ladies and gentlemen, listen to them song about Emmy. Because why? Listen. Some boy not the lyrics. Here we talk to woman. Listen. Hey girl, long time no see. Lyrics round here. Bang, 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 What is the lyrics time? Listen to the lyrics time. Baby. Hey girl, long time no see. What's the other? Do you have a little time to spend with me? I wanna know what's been going on in your life. Talk to me, baby. Your hair, perfume you wear. Listen, bring back memories. All who have gone party long time. That's a speech we use. But who know music? Everybody can buy an amplifier and buy some box and some big sound. Sound the absence and the selector when they behind it. Drop some. Listen some. Educate and teach some people, man. I'm a lonely soldier. Bang, 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 I'm a lonely soldier. Far away, many miles from home. With a heart that's heavy, but with a will that's strong. Listen. Behind I left a woman. When I reach wife's got tell you. When I reach 6 years. Oh, so dear to me. Lyrics. I'm off to fight a war. They do what? That they say
straight. And me and you work. And that's why I bring you come a dancer so early so you can watch me. When me say move, you move. And so we work as a team. And that me a groom you for do. Watch what I want. When me talk and say drop, some drop. Hold up. Kill them now.
I'm from one of the parents long time say. Ribbidi bang, ribbidi bang, ribbidi bang, ribbidi bang, bang, babe. Say Helen, say.
How is sound?
Big sound and now you don't. I see sound. Hey. Right now I'm ready, son, boy, hold on steady. I see them I move at lightning speed, yes. Take back seat and wait for we ready. I see some die massive, hold on steady. Then I see them I murder and some why. And we don't want no commotion.
Is.
What? The rest of us say he don't live too.
Is.